Today we're going to be taking some shots out of the Zastava EZ9. This one's equipped with the Crimson Trace laser. This is an EAA special. Very nice handgun. 9mm. Let's see how she runs. It's hard to get used to that Crimson Trace laser if you never used a laser before. It's an accurate little pistol, that's for sure. Zastava, Serbia! Wow, the reset on that trigger is just amazing. I mean, it's just like a double tap instant. Once you reset, it's right back on there. EZ9, Zastava, Serbia. We're at about 15 yards. That's a 9-inch steel plate. No problem. I mean, just one right after another. The EZ9 is where it's at. Awesome, awesome. Thanks for watching. If you don't have a Zastava EZ9mm, you need to get one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.